think the greatest difficulty at the beginning of the pandemic was just being one of the very first to be hit. So we needed to write the book as we went along.
Korea tried to strike a balance between control and prevention measures and our people's daily lives. The first case of COVID-19 in South Korea was confirmed on January 20th. The KCDC created a task force to monitor the COVID-19 situation. At the same time, we enhanced a broad screening process to block the inflow of COVID-19. From mid-February, the number of confirmed cases skyrocketed in Daegu and the Gyeongbu provinces. Some said the provinces had to be locked down. The government decided to contain the spread while preserving the freedom of movement.
Countries started to shut their doors against travelers coming from South Korea. It was not a foreign policy issue, it was a disease control issue. There was a demand from the public and the media that we should also close our doors. And it was difficult to argue against that and keep our borders open while also keeping our society open.
WHO's regular briefings on COVID-19 has provided the latest updates, thereby allowing us to be prepared for and respond to the virus. Korea studied and analyzed the virus and began to develop testing kits.
We built up this example. The three T's, the testing, tracing, and the treatment are just the very basics of any disease control.
We have been able to pursue creative strategies, including the drive-through screening stations, residential treatment centers, and the non-face-to-face healthcare services.
Some look at the Korean case and say, oh, you have the IT infrastructure, you have the universal health coverage, you have the ingredients to be successful. But I think they're missing the most important element in this, which is the public's trust. Crisis response can be successful only if you are faithful to the fundamental values of your country. And those fundamental values of our very vibrant democracy is exactly openness, transparency, and full government accountability.
정보를 공유하고 함께 협력하는 힘은 바이러스가 갖지 못한 인류만의 힘입니다. 코로나는 인류 공동의 가치인 자유의 정신까지 위협하지만 자유의 정신에 기반한 연대와 협력이야말로 코로나와의 전쟁에서 승리할 수 있는 가장 강력한 무기입니다.
When it comes to COVID-19 response, what's commonly important is first solidarity and the cooperation with every member of society.
We've been getting countless requests for sharing our experience, for our test kits, for our masks, for our PPEs.
Korea supports the Access to COVID-19 Accelerate initiative led by the WHO and will actively take part in international effort to develop and distribute vaccines and treatments.
I think we all know now COVID-19 is here for the long term. We have to live with the risk and manage the risk while ensuring and enabling the people to move about and respecting their fundamental human rights.